Hello. Welcome to the Tech Talk for the Hydronalix Adapt Unmanned Aerial System. My name is Ron Cipriani. ONR has asked our company to develop rapidly manufacturable robots for disaster response. In response, we invented the Adapt Unmanned Aerial System. Adapt, a low-cost, domestically sourced, fully autonomous drone that can deliver a 2-pound payload up to 4 kilometers. Our technology provides first responders with an easy-to-use delivery vehicle for disaster response, greatly enhancing their ability to quickly and safely reach people in need. Hydronalix is a world leader in robotic marine rescue devices, best known for our Emily life-saving robot. We specialize in building unmanned platforms for water rescue, reconnaissance, and research missions. Since our founding in 2009, our company has done over $22 million worth of research, development, and commercial sales. We've shipped over 700 Hydronalix systems across the world, and our technology is deployed throughout the U.S. and in over 30 countries. We are headquartered in Green Valley, Arizona, and are proud to manufacture all our products in-house at our facilities. The ADAPT technology we're discussing today was developed in response to the Navy's solicitation for agile manufacturing on-demand solutions for unmanned systems. The expected acquisition programs for this technology include naval shipyards, fleet readiness centers, and Marine Corps Logistics Command. Under this program, the Navy and Marine Corps are seeking to develop and demonstrate rapid, distributed, on-demand manufacturing of unmanned systems capable of supporting multiple payloads dependent on the situation. The ADAPT technology we developed is intended for humanitarian use following a natural or man-made disaster. After a disaster event, providing rapid response to affected areas is critical to saving lives. Oftentimes, affected areas are hard or unsafe to reach due to infrastructure destruction, and there is significant challenge in moving supplies into these disaster zones. Unmanned systems offer a solution to this problem, but there is a need for agile, on-demand manufacturing of these technologies. To be viable as a disaster response tool, some key manufacturing considerations need to be considered. These include the ability to fabricate close to the point of need, access to manufacturing of components and assemblies across multiple facilities to accommodate sudden surge orders, supply chain management to produce rapid local system assembly. Our ADAPT UAS meets these requirements and can be rapidly produced with domestic components. It is low cost and specifically designed for single-use disaster response applications. It is currently capable of delivering a 2-pint water bottle payload 2 kilometers or more. Future development of the product will lead to a domestically sourced UAS product for Navy sailors and other first responders in search and rescue type operations and tactical mission applications. Let's take a look at the ADAPT drone itself. The Hydronalix ADAPT solution is a waterproof quadcopter with a 2-pound payload capacity and a 4-kilometer range. The platform supports modular payloads and may be integrated with multiple payloads depending on the situation. The drone is fully autonomous and does not require a trained pilot to operate. Users plan their desired mission on a smart device and then fire and forget the drone as it autonomously completes the mission. It also is compatible with TAK software, which is frequently used by first responders and military personnel. The picture on this slide shows the ADAPT drone at the Joint Exercise Baltops 50 in Germany, where the platform was flown and tested with USMC personnel. So what's the current status of the technology? Hydronalix developed and manufactured 100 UAVs that were tested at the Navy Test Facility in Crane, Indiana, for performance evaluation of the drones. At this test event, UAVs flew various autonomous routes and landed at specified GPS coordinates. Since then, Hydronalix had made design modifications to improve the platform by reducing manufacturing labor, increasing quality, and lowering the price. We are currently in the process of producing 320 units of our second-generation prototype. Some key advantages and benefits of the Hydronalix solution include our ability to provide in-house manufacturing at rapid production speeds. We are also manufacturing a platform with 95% American-sourced components and continue to push for 100% domestically sourced in our next generation. Our technology is competitively priced at less than $900. Another great feature about the Adapt drone is the onboard software allows for fully autonomous operation, making the vehicle extremely user-friendly and able to be operated by anyone. Autonomous mission planning may be done either via smartphone or the system is also TAK compatible. The platform performs autonomous flights with high precision and accuracy. Finally, modular payload capability allows the platform to be used for a variety of different applications. Hydronalix is currently working on a Phase 2 option, which includes pilot testing in an operational environment and manufacturing 320 units in our second generation of prototypes. During this process, the prototype design and manufacturing process will be further refined. An upcoming second Phase 2 option will include operational testing and evaluation in multiple user scenarios and manufacturing of 1,000 units. Hydronalix is working closely with the U.S. Marine Corps Littoral Explosive Ordnance Neutralization Group to develop and demonstrate our Adapt technology. Hydronalix has provided preliminary training and experimentation and demonstrated the UAVs at TCE 21.1 in San Diego and Baltops 50 in Germany. Hydronalix has also established relationships with operators from 3rd Fleet, 5th Fleet, 7th Fleet, and the U.S. Coast Guard. We will leverage these relationships to transition the technology. Outside of the Marine Corps and other interested military parties, Hydronalix Adapt Technologies has many other applications. For example, the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab recently purchased 2 Adapt drones to use as a base platform for a custom payload they were developing and testing. The Adapt drone is a great option for this use, and other people like the Autonomous Integration Lead Specialist from NSWC Crane have also expressed interest in using our technology as a base for their payload. Hydronalix is also performing initial testing and evaluation of the Adapt drone with the Los Angeles County Fire Department. Many fire departments are interested in non-Chinese, made-in-the-U.S. drones, and the Adapt drone is a powerful piece of technology that meets these standards while maintaining a low price point. Hydronalix is very excited about the drone technology and manufacturing process we've developed under this program. There is a large value in cheap, easily mass-produced UAS systems with domestically sourced components, especially with heightened geopolitical tensions. The ability to produce American-made technology has become even more important. Hydronalix is promoting the new Adapt technology to organizations we've worked with in the past, including fire departments, search and rescue personnel, first responders, and disaster relief organizations. Because of our strong relationships with these groups, we've expected commercial sales by the end of the Phase 2 program. That concludes Hydronalix Tech Talk for our Adapt UAS. Our technology is a powerful, accessible, low-cost tool for first responders and military personnel. We are proud to offer a domestically sourced platform and are excited to grow and further develop this technology. To do this, we are looking for your support. You can help us by referrals to like-minded players, letters of support, NDAs, and teaming arrangements. Please reach out. You can contact our office at 520-203-8351 or visit our website for more information at www.hydronalix.com. If you are in Washington, D.C. for the FST event, come by our booth on the pier, and thank you for your time and listening.